Hi students, today we will study the lesson number 4, altitude and median of the triangle. I will explain you step by step all the concept. Number 1, first it is an altitude. What do you mean by altitude? I will tell the define. The perpendicular segment drawn from the vertex of a triangle on the opposite side is called as an altitude. Okay, I will write here in short I will write here perpendicular segment, okay, drawn from a opposite side, drawn from a vertex on opposite side is called altitude. Okay, I will show how to draw. From this we can draw with the help of a set square or with the help of an scale. Okay, from the vertex on the opposite side 90-degree angle will create. Okay, next it is, and second point, it is an orthocenter. Orthocenter means what? The three point, okay, all the 3 points of concurrence, all the 3 points of concurrence is called orthocenter. Okay, orthocenter of a triangle, which is denoted by O. All the 3 points of concurrence is called the orthocenter. Now which 3 points? 3. From this vertex I will draw a perpendicular. From second vertex I will draw the perpendicular, and from the third vertex I will draw the perpendicular. This is 90, this is 90, this is 90. Okay, the middle part it is called as an O, which is an orthocenter. Okay, now next it is an location of the orthocenter of a triangle. Now first we will see the of right angle triangle. Okay, what do you mean by right angle triangle? Here it is an 90-degree angle created. When we draw a segment from the vertex to the opposite side, then the point of concurrence or the location of the orthocenter is on the vertex of whom? Right angle triangle. Now next it is an obtuse angle triangle. Now obtuse angle triangle, where it will come here? On the exterior or outside. If we draw a perpendicular or altitude, then you will see here that the point of concurrence will go exterior of the triangle. It is called as an, if I draw a roughly all this 3D figure, then you will see the point of concurrence will be exterior. Okay, to whom? Obtuse angle triangle. Next it is an acute angle triangle. For acute angle triangle, when we draw a altitude or a perpendicular or bisect an angle, then it will come at the interior of the angle or interior of the triangle. Now next it is an median. What do you mean by the define of the median? The segment joining the vertex and the midpoint. What it is the define? The segment joining the vertex and midpoint of whom? Of the opposite side is called median. Okay, now how we will draw the median? For median we have to draw a perpendicular. For example, I will show how to draw a perpendicular to this one side. Okay, take this side, measure this side, take more than half, draw a arc. Okay, if you can name this. Okay, you can name this. Next it is, I have drawn the arc. Okay, you can see. Now from another point I will cut the arc. Okay, from another point I will cut the arc. Okay, now these 2 points, 1 and these 2 points, when we will join with the help of an scale, then this will be the midpoint of the segment AB. Okay, similarly we can draw the midpoint of the segment BC. Okay, similarly we can draw the midpoint of segment BC, and similarly we can draw the midpoint of the segment AC. Okay, understand? Now next it is an centroid. What do you mean by the centroid? Okay, now I will show you how to draw it. First of all, you will take one side, see, more than half, draw a arc, okay, on both the side. Then from the another side, cut this arc, okay, you can cut the arc, and then join the segment. You will do what you will do to like this, all the three sides you will cut, okay, and I have shown only a one side. Like that you can do all remaining three side. Okay, this middle point is called as an centroid, which is denoted by the capital G. Okay, now I will explain you the define. The 3 point of concurrence is called centroid, which is denoted by capital G. Here orthocenter was denoted by O and centroid is denoted by capital G. Understand, student? Now next I will explain you the exercise. 4.1. I have taken the triangle LMN, LX and LY. We have to identify which is the altitude and which is the median. Altitude means what? Which create the 90-degree angle. So LX is an altitude, and median means what? Which divides the segment into half, that is LY is an median. Okay, next point. The centroid divides each median into which ratio? 2:1 ratio. Means centroid means what? Denoted by capital G. Now in the given question, length RG is given as 2.5. So we have to find out GC, which is an 5 centimeter double. Next, length BG. Okay, what is in length BG? BG is given as 6, and we have to find out the whole BQ. If it is in 6, okay, then what will be the GQ? GQ will be in 3 because 2:1 ratio. What is the centroid? 2:1 ratio. So answer will come here 9. Next, AP. AP is given as whole, it is given as 6. When we divide it, if you have a ratio 2:1, no, then what we have to do? 2:1. 2 divided by 4, 2. Okay, 2 2s are 4. So answer ratio will come here 2:1. So our answer AG is equal to 4 and GP is equal to 2. Understand, student? Okay.